Find the value. How we can find the value of a dictionary. In this session we will talk about how we can find the value of a dictionary. So let me solve some examples here. Example number 2, where data equals to person 1, house number 50, street number 90. To the print of data of person, it will return 1. I want to find the value of a dictionary. This is my dictionary. This is my dictionary because the information is in a key value form. Key value, key value, key value. I have 3 key value pairs. Pair 1, pair 2, and pair 3. Now, when I take the print of data and then close bracket and then the person, which is the value, which is the first value, it will return this value for the person. It will only return the value for the person. That's how we can find the value of a dictionary by taking the print of this expression. Example number 2 again. Data equals to person 1, house number 50, street number 90. You can simply put data of person. It will return the same output 1. Now when you go to the collab, whether you take the print of data of a person or simply data of a person in a separate line, make sure in a separate line, it will return the same output 1. So whether you put this thing inside the print function or without the print function in a new line, you'll get the same output, the same value here, which is 1. Let me take again the same example number 2 here, where data equals to person 1, house number 50, street number 90. Take the print of data of street number, it will return the street number, which is 90. Now look, you have to put data and then the close bracket and then the key. Whatever key you put here inside the quotes, it will return the value of that key. So since we have street number inside the quotes, when you run it, it will return 90. Because the value of this key, which is the street number, is 90. Therefore, it returns 90 in the output. This will be the final output.